Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be checking out a Kubota L39 tractor loader backhoe. Check out the specs. We'll maybe dig some stuff up, test out the backhoe, test out the forks in the bucket. It's got the quick attach stuff. It's a quite powerful machine. It's got about 1,800 hours on it. But first, let's head inside and I'll show you some of the specs of this piece of equipment. Okay, we got tractordata.com pulled up and we're looking at the Kubota L39 overview. The original price in 2011 was just over $40,000. They have a 1.8 liter 3-cylinder diesel that has 39 horsepower. It puts out a claimed 30.5 horsepower to the PTO. 4-wheel drive, obviously. It's got the differential lock with a little button that you press with your foot. We'll show you that later. It's hydrostatic power for the steering. So this has, from my understanding, is with the hydraulics, it's got just one big pump that creates a lot of pressure that runs all the hydraulics, including the backhoe on it. A lot of backhoes are run off the PTO, but this is just run off the main pump, which total flow is 23.4 gallons per minute, and it allows 6.2 gallons per minute to the steering. It's got plenty of power, that's for sure. It says it holds 10 gallons of fuel. So the fuel gauge on them's off a little bit because when it says E, it only takes like 7 gallons. So I guess when it's at E, it still has 3 gallons left. But no sense in running diesel engine out of oil or out of fuel because it's hard to start them back up. We got some more specs here. The weight of it's almost 7,000 pounds. We had to go get a heavy duty trailer just to haul this thing. The backhoe and loader, the dig depth is 121 inches. That's pretty good. I don't know, what is that, like 10 foot? I don't know if it quite digs 10 foot. That seems awful a lot. I'd say 8 or 9 easily. I guess it does 10. That's pretty standard stuff. Got 55 amp alternator on it. Seems pretty good. Let's get on to the next page here. And thank you everybody for watching this video. You can learn a little bit more about either the Kubota tractor you have or the Kubota tractor that you do want to get. It's there's our displacement on the engine, our power, rated RPMs, oil capacity, coolant capacity. It's got a glide shift transmission. I'm sure you've all seen that. Works pretty good. The Kubota we had before, it was a L39. That's the same transmission it had. Tires 27 by 10.5 15s on the front, 15 by 19.5s on the back. Got 68-inch wheelbase. Weight again 7,000 pounds. No files on photos, attachments. Okay. The TL1000 loader weighs 960 pounds, can lift up to 114 inches. It's pretty good. Clearance. Breakout force, that's what you're really here to see. Got at the pin, got 3,560 pounds of breakout force. And it can lift to full height 2,700 pounds with its 72-inch wide bucket. The bucket on it weighs close to 400 pounds in itself, so that takes up some of your capacity. 2-lever quick coupler. Okay. The BT 1000 backhoe, bucket width 12 to 36 inches, so you can get the bucket widths in. It seems to work pretty good. Bucket force 5,825 pounds. I was trying to pull a stump out of the ground, big old stump we had dug out, and it actually had enough power to break the chain. So that is pretty impressive. So it definitely has plenty of force. Well, without further ado, let's go back outside and check the tractor out a little bit more, and I'll show you the trailer we got for it. So I guess first I'll go over some of the controls on it. We got our headlights, blinkers. This is the gear shift. You got forward, neutral, reverse. Got our clutch pedal. Got our I think this is for the tilt steering. And back here's your control for 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive. Locks it in. Over there is the rear locking differential. So you press down on that with your heel, locks both back tires together. This is don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure that's the battery compartment. It's either this side or the other side, I forget. Never had an issue with the battery or charging system on this, so haven't really been in there. Okay, so on the tractor loader backhoe style, we don't have the cluster up here on the dash. It's on the side, so you have easy access to it for if you're going forward or doing stuff with the backhoe. Key, lights, the hazard 4-way lights. You can adjust your display modes. Here's the gear shift for the shuttle shift. Pretty simple, just put it wherever you need it to go. This controls the height of the 3-point arms in the back. When we have the backhoe attached to it, it's locked in place like that. Got PTO for if you're running something off the PTO, like a brush hog or whatever else you got. We're looking at getting a rototiller. That'd be pretty cool. Got a throttle lever right there. Set that to whatever RPM you need for while running the backhoe. The seat on this spins around from the forward position to the backwards position for operating the backhoe. Pretty convenient. Definitely a nice design. You don't even have to get off. You just kind of pull your feet up a little bit. You can spin right around. Yep. 15 by 19.5 industrial tires. This one's got a little bit of rust on the fender wells from salt and dirt, I'm guessing. Doesn't affect the mechanical ability of it. Frame's still solid. On these, the backhoe attaches to the frame of the tractor, and the tractor has a secondary frame that a lot of tractors don't have. So it's actually got a whole structure in there to make it stronger, rather than just the motor and trans being bolted together. Definitely stronger like this. Got our controls here. We Ended up getting some new stickers. Got some new stickers on here. Old stickers were wore off. Couldn't really see what way was which while we're learning how to run this. Got our, when you're not using it, just have it all the way up, and you can lock this into place so your hydraulics don't settle down. This appears to be, I don't know, I don't have a tape measure with me, but in between an 18 and 24 inch bucket. It's got the canopy on it with nice solid rollover protection bars, and not just the back, it comes all the way to the front, up and around, so it's like a full roll cage. So if you're picking something up and you drop it onto the roof, it's probably not going to kill you. Take a step around here. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying the video. You get to see a little bit about these Kubota L39 tractor loader backhoes. If you're in the market of buying one, or just kind of want to watch a video on a Kubota like you have. Backhoe model BT1000. It's got the instructions for how to hook your lines and stuff back up when you do take the backhoe off. Having a little trouble spinning this chair around. It works better when you got your butt in the seat. Okay. Okay, trying to get stuff out of the way to pick this up so we can see down in here. Here's our hydraulic lines for the backhoe, and when you take them out, it has these nice covers. So it's got caps for each end, so you don't have to worry about any dirt getting in there into your hydraulic system. Keeps your fittings nice and clean. We got our 3-point arms, raised thing there. So this all just pops off with these pins, undo your hydraulic lines. This all pops off, and you can run a back blade or a brush hog or rototiller, whatever you can fit on the back of this. This has the, sorry, I don't really know the name of it, but you can select if you want to auto level when you raise the bucket or the forks, or turn the auto level off. It's convenient both ways. With the forks, the auto level helps. With the bucket, you don't really need it. Hydraulic lines. This is a accelerator pedal. Brakes. Press them down and pull this for your parking brake. Instructions on what the controls do each way. That's where the fuel goes. Got 10-gallon fuel tank. L39. Well, guess we should start it up. It's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit out right now. This thing's never had a problem starting up in the cold. So you just turn the key on, wait till the lights go off, maybe makes a little click. Made a click, the click went off. Starts right up. Your exhaust is, comes out right there. select our speed. Grab this, boom, go forward. We're on a roll. On these, you don't have to press the clutch to change gears or shift. It does like an automatic shuttle shift, I guess. Or you can use it if you want. We're gonna head over here and try and pick a pallet up. Show you how strong this thing is. Yep, so strong. Pick up a pallet with a cinder block on it like nothing. It's true power right there. Okay. Show you how to do this. Make sure we pull this all the way back, reach down, we can pull this up. That locks it, unlocks it. Our center handles, pull that, let those down. Repeat on the other side. We'll extend this all the way out for you. Okay, now we got that all the way out. We'll step off here, back up a little bit. You can see how big the BT1000 backhoe is. It says it's got like a 10-foot digging depth. It definitely looks like it can do that. It's extended out. We'll use my scientific feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 foot, or 14 of my feet to the pins and pivot points on this. So it should dig pretty deep. We'll show you some of the other stuff we have for this. We have our county line brush hog from Tractor Supply. We bought this used. We have not used it yet. It's I think it was a 6-foot wide one. Again, you know what I mean, we'd have to break out my scientific feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not quite 6, so I guess it's a 5-foot one. And over here we just picked up this King Cutter back blade. It's a 7-foot back blade. It's adjustable. You can have it at whatever angle. Spun all the way around, so you can go forward or backwards with it. Pretty nice. I think they retail for around $500. And over here we have our detachable bucket. I was saying before, this weighs 300 or 400 pounds. It's not something you can move around by hand. It's pretty heavy duty. My Kubota L39, the bucket was a lot lighter. It wasn't removable either, but you could tell it wasn't as strong as this one. So I guess last but not least, we're going to show you our new trailer we got for the Kubota. And here we have our new trailer. It's a 2021 Westco. We just picked it up. It's a 20 foot plus 2. So the deck's 20 foot and it has a 2 foot dovetail on it. Nice and heavy duty. And since we got a bigger tractor and a bigger trailer, we had to go get a bigger truck too. Had to get rid of the 1500 and get a 2500 HD. I guess it comes with the territory. When you're upgrading, getting bigger stuff, you got to get bigger equipment. Bigger equipment means bigger trailer. Bigger trailer and equipment means bigger truck. Guess we're working our way up. Yeah, and if you made it to the end of this video, be sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment letting us know what your favorite Kubota tractor is. I would say this is my favorite Kubota tractor. We wanted to get a L35, but we couldn't find any, so spent a little bit more and got the L39. Definitely glad we got the little bit bigger one. It's still not quite strong enough to pick up like a full-size truck or something, but it moves cars around the yard pretty good. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. It means a lot. Hit that like button if you liked the video. Hit the don't like button if you didn't like the video. As long as you do something, I hope you have a great day. I'm freezing my butt off out here. Like I said, it's like 20 degrees. I'm shivering cold. I'll see you all later. Thanks for watching. It means a lot.